Hello, my name is James Widmayer. I'm a trained emergency response incident commander. During this safety training, I'll describe the proper technique of eye, ear, and fire protective equipment use. Training requirements of Occupational Safety and Health Agency, OSHA, must have signed documentation of training and kept on file. At A&J Detailing, safety is demanded and listed as sure employee. Remember, to work safe is to work smart. Safety glasses. Every day, an estimated 1,000 eye injuries occur in American workplaces. When operating a power washer or any power tool, a small particle of dust, wood, glass, metal, or plastic all have potential of being airborne and a problem without proper eye protection. If any incident does occur, react quickly and go to the eye safety wash, located by the north exit of the first bay. Rinse your eye or eyes immediately. Report all incidents to the supervisor on staff with as much detailed information as possible. If safety glasses have a scratch or malfunction of any type, request a new pair before continuing work. A&J has a commitment to personal safety of all employees and their customers. Hearing protection. Anytime there's a decibel level of 85 or above, there's dangers to long-term hearing loss. Earplugs or muffs can be used for proper protection. The combination of using both at the same time is extremely helpful. 1 in 10 Americans have hearing loss to normal speech. Most power wash or vacuums have a normal operating decibel level of 90. OSHA states 8 hours or more of this level exposure can and will cause permanent damage. A&J will supply and assist the use of this important, proper protective equipment. Work safe, work smart. A&J recognizes quality over quantity, and so will their customers. Fire protection and proper training is another of OSHA's documented laws. Fire prevention takes little time and can save lives. If a fuel odor is detected or a visible sign of a fuel leak is present, do not operate machinery. Follow company tag-out procedures for repair. An operation of extinguishing a contained fire is called pass. Pull, aim, squeeze, and sweep. Pull the pin, aim the nozzle towards the base of the fire, squeeze the handle, and make a sweeping motion with the nozzle. Documentation. A few of the safety techniques that weren't used correctly. Now, with ear protection and safety glasses on properly, the fuel is added to the machine. Once it's added, the can is removed from the area fuel can container. Once you've completed that task, you need to inspect for fuel leaks or a possible detect of an odor. This can prevent fire safety issues. Thank you. Now, with all fire 911 call is made, we'll enter into the proper spot and take roll call. Joshua Widmayer. Here. Adam Widmayer. Here. Jody Widmayer. Here. Gene Widmayer. Here. Caleb Anderson. Here. Bill Widmayer. Here. Everyone's present. Someone needs to take control of the scene and hand it over to the emergency response incident commander that appears. Thank you for this video. The emergency response.
Today about evacuation plans. Evacuation plans originally started in school systems to evacuate the kids for fire alarms and tornado drills and all them type of things. What we've done in the past now is we're going into businesses and into homes. We want the homes to understand that, you want everybody out of the house and stay out of the house, don't go back in, because that's when people die. It doesn't take much smoke to kill somebody. at least knock them unconscious, and then they eventually pass on. But the biggest thing is in your businesses, to evacuate all the business, not part of the business, because even though you don't see the smoke, the alarms are going off, there has to be some type of problem. Evacuate the business and account for all your employees. Accountability is the biggest thing in emergency services, because when we pull on a scene, we need to know right away if everybody's accounted for, or if we have to go in and do a search and rescue. Search and rescue takes priority over fighting a fire. So therefore, if we know those things up front, you have a good evacuation plan, you can work with your local fire departments. They will help you set up plans, they will help you train and do these plans yearly, and we do it with the schools all the time. We do have businesses that call and request that at all times. Anytime you have an emergency, dial 911. Give them your phone number, give them your address, and give them your name. Therefore, when they get to a scene, they're going to look for that person with that name. Part of the accountability, that's the person they talk to. You know what's going on at that residence or that business. Therefore, everybody's accounted for, everybody's out of the building, everybody's safe, and we all go home at the end of the day.